quick fix for air conditioning that won't turn on. The problem in most cases isn't the compressor. Sometimes the first speed, low speed, of the radiator fan gets damaged. Unfortunately, when circuit number 1 doesn't work, the whole AC won't engage and the computer won't display any error. The culprit in this case is the resistor, this green one you see now. The cost is about €6, so it's peanuts. Replacement is very fast. Just unplug the 2 wires, plus and minus, then unscrew the 2 screws on the small housing, take out the resistor, and install the new one. That's it. The fan should run correctly again, and the AC should engage and cool once more. Subscribe to the channel and use these mechanics tips.